What's up, guys? RW146 back again with another update for the WRX this time, actually. So I wasn't expecting to, but I'm on the way to go pick up some goodies right now, and I figured I would let you guys tag along with me and see what I'm gonna go get here, because it's just something. When you're perusing Facebook Marketplace, you tend to find a lot of cool stuff, and I actually, when I moved, never updated my location to where I was living now, so all of my results were still from about an hour away where the old house was. So I changed everything up, and then as soon as I did, I found some pretty cool stuff very locally for the WRX that I still needed. One of which is just a set of stock headlights, but I got a killer deal on it. And then the other is something a little bit more interesting, but I'll show you guys when I get there. So for now, I guess let's just get it. Woo! And here we are. Go, what the jeez. All right, so mission successful, and let me show you what I got here. So since the WRX is still on stock suspension, I managed to find these bad boys, some ISCs. The kid I bought them from put them on his car, and apparently he had never had coilovers before, so he wasn't really familiar with how stiff the ride was going to be. Apart from that, I did get the headlights I was talking about, and these things are, borderline brand new still. You said they only had a couple thousand miles on them, and I believe him. He gave me all the, stickers and everything, all the adjusters, and the collars, or the spanner wrenches, haven't even been opened, so that's pretty sick. And yeah, literally picked up everything here for a steal as always, but I'm pretty stoked. And there goes the kid that I bought him from. But that'll be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll have more to come very shortly.